In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Outlook Fast 2025 Guide. If you use a handful of Outlook commands all the time, the Quick Access Toolbar is the fastest way to keep them one click away. It sits above the ribbon and stays visible no matter what tab you're on, so your favorite actions are always ready. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop app and not Outlook on the web, because the Quick Access Toolbar lives in the desktop version. Once Outlook is open, look to the very top left corner of the window, just above the ribbon. That slim row of icons is the Quick Access Toolbar. On the right side of that small toolbar, click the little down arrow. This opens the Customize Quick Access Toolbar menu. You'll see a short list of popular commands you can add instantly. Things like new email, reply all, forward, print, send, receive all, undo, redo, and quick print. Click any command on this menu, and it appears on the toolbar right away. This is perfect for quickly surfacing the tools you use dozens of times a day. If you want more control, choose more commands. That opens the full customization window. On the left, you can browse popular commands or switch to all commands to see everything Outlook offers. Select a command on the left and click Add to move it to the list on the right, which represents your toolbar. To remove something, select it on the right and click Remove. You can also change the order so your most important buttons sit first. Use the up and down arrows to reorder them exactly how you like. Near the bottom, choose whether the Quick Access Toolbar appears above the ribbon or below it. Above keeps it compact and out of the way. Below makes the icons a little closer to your content, and pick whichever is more comfortable for your workflow. When you're happy, click OK. Your Quick Access Toolbar updates immediately with your selections and layout. Outlook will remember your choices, so the commands you added are there the next time you open the app. If you ever want to fine-tune it, repeat the same process to add, remove, or reorder items in seconds. That's all it takes to build a personal command center in Outlook. A few thoughtful additions to the Quick Access Toolbar can save you time every single day, especially for repetitive tasks like composing, replying, printing, or syncing mail. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined Outlook